Hello students, how are you today? Today we are going to look at multiplication and division of integers. Okay, let us begin with multiplication. In Pratom 2, you learned about the multiplication of positive numbers. For example, we know that 2 times 3 means two groups of 3. That is one group of 3, another group of 3. We get two groups of 3, which gives us positive 6. Okay? You see, this is a positive times a positive, then our answer will also be a positive. Okay? But now, in Mathem 1, or grade 7, we are going to mainly look at how we can multiply negative integers. Okay? For example, we have got 2 times negative 3. This actually means two groups of negative 3. Okay? So now we have one group of negative 3, and then we get two groups of negative 3. Okay? So you can see that all together we have got negative 6. Okay? Finally, it means that 2 times negative 3, we get negative 6. In short, you can see that a positive times a negative, we get a negative. Okay? That's why you see 2 times negative 3 equals negative 6. Okay? Let's look at another example. We have got negative 2 times 3. Negative 2 times 3. Okay? So this actually means the negative of two groups of 3. So this is the negative of one group of 3, and then we have the negative of two groups of 3. Okay? So note that this negative will affect these positives to also become negatives. Okay? So that's why we are having negative 6. So you can see that negative 2 times 3, we get negative 6. In short, you can see that a negative times a positive, we get a negative. Okay? We look at example number 3. We have negative 2 times negative 3. This actually means the negative of two groups of negative 3. Okay? So this is the negative of one group of negative 3. And then we get the negative of two groups of negative 3. Note that this negative will affect these negatives and they become positives. So that's why we have got positive 6. So this means that negative 2 times negative 3 equals 6. In short, a negative times a negative, we get a positive. Okay? So we have got a positive times a negative, gives us a negative. That's why 2 times negative 3, we have negative 6. Positive number times negative number, we get negative number. Okay? Negative 2 times 3, we get negative 6. Okay? You see that a negative number times a positive number, we get a negative number. Okay? Negative number times positive number, we get negative number. Okay? Negative 2 times negative 3, we get 6. This means that a negative number times a negative number, we get a positive number. So you can see negative 2 times negative 3 equals 6. Okay, I hope you can understand how to multiply integers. Okay, now let us look at division. Still in grade 2 or Pratom 2, you learned about how to divide positive integers. For example, we know that 6 divided by 2 equals 3. But now our main focus this time is about how to divide negative integers. Look, negative 6 divided by 2, we get negative 3. What does this imply? It means that a negative number divided by a positive number, we get a negative number. Okay? Negative divided by positive, we get negative. Okay? 6 divided by negative 2, we get negative 3. What does it imply? It means that 6, which is a positive number, divided by negative 2, which is a negative number, will give us negative 3, which is a negative number. So, positive number divided by negative number, we get negative number. Okay? Finally, you see that negative 6 divided by negative 2 equals 3. It implies that negative number divided by negative number, we get a positive number. I believe that now you can divide integers. Okay? Now, I want you to pause the video and do this practice. 1, 2, and 3. Then you also answer number 2. 1, 2, and 3. When you finish, please take a photo of your work and send to our group line. Okay? Thank you and have a good day. Goodbye.